Ever notice your Roomba seems quieter? Almost too quiet? That could mean the suction isn't working right. Let's fix that. First, check the dustbin. If it's full, your Roomba has nowhere to put new dirt. Empty it out and make sure the filter isn't clogged. A dirty filter can block airflow and kill suction. Next, flip your Roomba over and inspect the brushes. Tangled hair or debris wrapped around the brushes and wheels can stop the cleaning in its tracks. Pull out anything you find. Don't be shy. Roombas can handle it. Still having trouble? The filter might need a replacement. Most Roomba models need a new filter every couple of months, especially if you have pets or lots of dust. Also, check the suction path, the tunnel from the brush to the bin. Remove any visible blockages you spot. If none of these quick fixes work, try turning your Roomba off and back on. Sometimes, a simple restart solves the problem, and if suction is still weak, it could be time to call support or consider a professional service. So, full bin, dirty filter, tangled brushes, or a blocked path. Tackle these, and your Roomba should be back in action. Don't let a lazy Roomba ruin your clean floors. Try these tips and get that suction back today.